This is the time in the service when we come to center, when we focus in our hearts and let the world outside the church, anything that we are troubled by, just let that out there. And we focus within our hearts. We breathe in deeply, breathing in love, and breathing out love, flowing with the presence and the power of God. We breathe in peace, and we breathe out peace, flowing with the peace of God. We breathe in joy, and we breathe out joy, flowing with the mind of God. For we are all extensions of the one divine presence, creator of all things in the universe and the other universes beyond this one. We are all holy children of God, and that cannot change. For in the eyes of God, we are all perfect, whole, and beloved. And we can rest in that truth and that understanding. We rest in the peace of God. And we can hear that voice, that quiet yet powerful voice of God saying, I love you. I love you. I love you. You are my holy child, in whom I am very well pleased. And those things you think are mistakes are only learning experiences, bringing you home to me. I do not judge you. I only love you. Breathe in that love. Let it fill your mind and your heart. That's the truth of your being. And as a community, bringing in that love and that peace and that understanding, we come together to pray for those who have prayer requests, those who need prayer, those who need reassurance that God is working for them and through them, and bringing divine order into any situation that seems troubling or uncertain. We know with and for every prayer in the prayer box or in your minds at this moment, we know that God is taking care of everything. It's in good hands. And as a community, we extend our love and our peace beyond these walls, this church. We send it out to the entire community of Tulsa and beyond, to all the towns around, the countryside. We send it out as a blessing that all may find peace, health, prosperity. And if they are looking for like-minded people, seekers on the path to greater understanding, we invite them. We share our love and we're peace, and we invite them to come and join us. And we as a community see this whole room filled with like-minded souls, wanting this truth, needing this truth, receiving God's blessing, wherever they are, whoever they are. For we are all one. 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 And so it is. Amen.